Welcome to my new guitar scale and chord finders. You can find free samples at my website markhanson.biz/guitar. Let's look at both of them in more detail now. The scale finder has a sliding centerpiece which allows you to select the key that you want to play in. This is currently set up for E minor pentatonic or G major pentatonic. You can slide the centerpiece to select other scales in different keys. Let's look at it in more detail now. All the notes are numbered and coloured, so you can see the patterns more easily. There are red and blue scale blocks to show easier ways to play the pentatonic scales. There are fret numbers at the bottom from 1 to 12 and 13 to 24, and keys at the top. The explanation panel on the right shows this, as well as notes you can bend in major and minor scales to add extra effect. Now let's look at the chord finder in more detail. As with the scale finder, there's a sliding central piece, there are fret numbers at the bottom and keys to the top. This is set up for A major, and you can see the root position shape, A shape, as well as the barred shape, which is an E shape, on fret number 5, and also a C shape barred at fret number 9, which will give you an A chord as well. Now let's look at the A root position shape in more detail. The small M note indicates where you can slide your finger to move to an A minor shape. The red dot with white star indicates where you can slide your finger for an A major 7 shape. And if you slide your finger or move it in this case to get to the 7 note, you get an A7 chord. You can also add your finger on the 4 to get a sus4 chord. The explanation notes indicate this, changing to minor, adding a blue 7th, adding a major 7th, adding a suspended 4th, and also bar positions. These are the basic versions of my scale and chord finder. There's also a deluxe version which has in addition major and minor full scales plus full blues scales. Come along to my website markhanson.biz/guitar. There you'll find some free samples to try out and more explanation of how this works.